welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sonika Singh, and if you've been watching my videos, thank you very much. Now in today's video, I am going to talk about things that you should be taking care of or you should be planning before moving a country. I have a first-hand experience, very recent experience, and I am here to share that with you. And if you're one of those who's planning to make that decision or still contemplating that whether should I be moving the country or not, this is the video for you. So yes, without any further ado, please keep on watching. Life is not easy even when we are born in our home country or the country that our parents are born in or whatsoever. I am talking about a country where we are planning to move or where we have planned to move or where we have moved. So the things that I'm going to talk to you about are going to be things which are my personal experiences or experiences that Chandeep and I have shared together. And these are the experiences that I think you can be benefited out of. So before you plan to think that you want to move out to A country or B country or C country or whatever country that you have decided, you need to know that what you want from this move. Don't plan the move because everybody is moved out or is planning to move out or has applied for a citizenship in some other country. Do not get into that trap. That's my personal experience. Now you must be thinking, अच्छा खुद तो पहुंच गई है दुबई इसलिए बोल रही है. The reason we chose UAE or Dubai to settle outside India was that we wanted to do an expansion of our business from Indian operations and add on Dubai operations as well. Primarily because Dubai is a tax-free country. And the second reason, or the most important reason I would rather say, is that even if we plan to move back to India, we are still Indian citizen. We do not lose the citizenship that we have. It's very close to India. Whenever we want to fly to India, we can just book the ticket and fly. And it's just a 4.5 or a 5 hours journey from Dubai to UAE. Those were the reasons that we thought that Dubai or UAE is the best opportunity for us. You need to know why do you want to move. It can be because of financial reasons. It can be also because of business that you want to expand. It can be because of the education that you want to give it to your kids. Think that why do you want to make this move? Do not make a move just because everyone else is moving out. The second important thing that you should be taking care of or you should be planning or keeping in mind while you're planning to move a country is that keep your move options open. Now what it means is that please do not stick to one country. What I mean by that is that do not plan to only go to one country. Keep your options open for countries which are near to that. Keep it open. Before coming to Dubai or before planning to move to UAE, we did a lot of research. We planned to move to A country, to B country, to C country. But then after a lot of evaluation, we decided that we move on to Dubai. Though it was an easy choice for us because we have an extended family here and so on and so forth. But keep other options also open. If you plan to move to country A, you should also have a plan to move to country B because it is not necessary that whatever you have planned will go your way. So keep the move options open and plan to work and look at what other countries have also to offer it to you. The next important thing that you should keep in planning is that visit the country at least once before making that move. Do not make that move just because you have seen that in movies or you have seen that on internet or your friends are recommending it to you. Go and visit that country at least once, if not twice. Go and take a look at what are the expenses that you will have to incur, what is the standard of living there, what are going to be your daily expenses, what is going to be the education expenses that you are ready to incur. This is your life's decision, and if you do not want to regret that decision, incur the cost because you would not like to regret the decision of making the move to another country. क्यों पैसा पैसा करती है, क्यों पैसे पे यूं मरती है. The next important thing that I want to talk about here is that when you are planning to move to another country, please take the decision of keeping money cushion for at least 10 to 12 months. Yes, keep that cushion with you because it will take you about 6 to 8 months to settle into a new country. You would like to know what is happening around you. How are things happening around you? You're not born in that country. You do not know what's happening. So to understand what's happening and what's unfolding just next to you, you need to know and you need to keep that money cushion for at least 12 months to about 18 months. If you're lucky enough, you will get it sooner. But yeah, if you want to keep that sane mind and not regret that, oh shit, मैं यहाँ क्यों आ गया, मेरे तो सिर्फ पैसे ही बर्बाद हो रहे हैं. If you do not have that cushion, build that cushion before making that move. Now, before we planned to move the country, we had created a cushion for about 1.5 years to about 2 years. So in order to keep your sanity with you while you have planned to move or while you're still thinking, you really need to know what is the money cushion that you want to carry with you, because even if your friends are around you or your family members are around you, you would not like to be dependent on them. So make that money cushion and then plan to move. The next important thing is that how to keep your expenses or monthly expenses to minimal. Spend as less as you can. Keep your money or your cushion for your exigencies. You never know when they hop onto you. So while we were in India, we had an extremely huge house, but when we shifted to Dubai, we thought that let's move on to a house which is closer to supermarket, which is closer to school, and at the same time, fulfills the requirements that we have at this point in time. Keep a monthly budget with you and do not spend even the last penny extra from it. Because if you do not keep a tap on it, you will lose onto the money cushion that you have built in for yourself for long. It is okay to have these struggles in the beginning rather than regretting the decision. So keep the expenses as less as you can, because that's going to be keeping you more sane and more happy. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is going to be very subjective, depending on what kind of personality do you carry, but no offenses. Yeah, the next point that I am going to talk about is culture. Please think that what is the kind of environment that you want to give it to yourself or to your kids or to your future generations. Being an Indian, we always say that we need to have Indian values with our kids and they need to follow Indian traditions, Indian customs and all of that. But believe me, with this we are actually confusing the child. I'm not saying don't teach them or don't let them know where we belong to, where are our roots. What I'm trying to say here is that do not confuse the child. The child is going to have a new upbringing with the kind of school that you have put him or her in, with the kind of new environment that you have given them. Do not expect them to be as a replica of you or as a copy of you, because that's not what you wanted for your child. You made that country move, or you planning to make that country move because you want to give a different lifestyle to your kid or to yourself. So if you want to follow that, please follow the same thing. Do not confuse the child with the culture thing or the tradition thing. I'm repeating once again that I am not saying that do not feed into your kids that what are the roots that we have, what are the values or what are the traditions that we have. But please do not confuse them with saying that, this is how we are doing and you should also be doing like that. So try and keep the culture thing very clear in mind, because it is going to be very different as compared to what you have done versus what you are planning to do in your new life. Last but not the least, which is about weather conditions. Not too important, as I said, but who doesn't want to have a very scenic beauty just next to the house? Or, who would not like to have mountains or, rivers flowing and those paintings that we used to make with mountains, sun coming out of it, and river flowing, and then you have a small hut or a small house. What I'm trying to say is that this is not going to be as important as the other points. But yeah, if you are one of those that who would want to have something very particular, think very carefully. As humans, we have developed everything to cope up with extreme environments. चाहे वो cold है, चाहे वो hot extreme environments हैं. I think that as humans we have really made a lot of progress in coping up with the environment. We have air conditions all around. It can be hot, it can be cold, depending on what weather you are. So yes, it is definitely not so important, but yeah, if you're one of those who want to keep it very particular, think about weather conditions as well. So that is it, guys. These are those things that I wanted to share with you as my experience. At the end, it is very personal, very subjective. It can vary from person to person, family to family. But I wanted to share my ideas and my experiences with you, that what you should be actually taking in mind before taking that move or planning to move to another country. Now, if you are planning to move to another country and something that you want to ask me, please feel free to ask me through the comment section below, and I will be able to help you out with that. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to give that thumbs up. And if you think that someone can get benefited out of this video or is planning to move outside India or any other country for that matter, please share this video with that person. Maybe that person gets benefited out of this video as well. If you've been watching my videos, thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I wish you all the best if you are planning to move to another country. As I said, life is not easy even when we are in our home country. This is still another country. We will definitely get challenges, but you can overcome those challenges by keeping your mind sane, as nothing is impossible in this world. So yes, this is it, guys. I will take your leave and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, you take care of yourself. Bye-bye.